In the agricultural land of the district Bahawalpur, we find and discuss about the Apis dorsata, the giant honeybee species. Apis dorsata, commonly known as giant honeybee, is one of the largest honeybee species. They are characterized by their significant size, ranging from 70 to 20 mm in length, with a body covered with dense hair. The coloration of this honeybee is generally dark, with yellow bands on its abdomen. By foraging on a variety of plants, Apis dorsata is contributing to the pollination of wild and cultivated plant species, thus supporting the plant biodiversity, wildlife habitat, and agricultural fields. Like other honeybee species, Apis dorsata produce honey and wax. Wax is used for various purposes, and honey is used for the treatment of various diseases. The sting of Apis dorsata can cause severe pain and allergic reactions in humans, including anaphylactic shock in sensitive individuals. The venom contains a mixture of protein and peptides that have various effects on the human body. Apis dorsata are nectarivores and pollinators, primarily feeding on nectar from various types of flowers. They play a crucial role in pollinating the wide range of plants, thus contributing to the biodiversity of wildlife habitat. Apis dorsata foraging bees communicate with the other members of the colonies through vagal dance. By locating the food resources, a behavior that convey information about the distance and direction to the foraging sites. Chemical communication through pheromones is very crucial in Apis dorsata colonies. The queen produces pheromones that regulate colonies' activities and interaction with other workers, while workers use alarm calls to signal danger. Apis dorsata is known for its aggressive defense behavior. When threatened, they mobilize a large number of workers to attack on intruders. Their stings are painful and dangerous to humans and animals. Only the females, workers and queens have stinger on its back. The stinger is barbed and connected to a venom gland, making their sting painful and effective as a defense mechanism. The stinger and the associated venom glands are highly developed, providing effective defense against predators and threats. The female workers sting multiple times and will swarm in masses to defend their nest and making them excellent defender. Apis dorsata is predominantly found in South and Southeast Asia, including countries like India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. They prefer to inhabit in tropical and subtropical climates, where they often found in forests where they build their nests on tall grasses and cliffs. Apis dorsata typically build their nests in open spaces such as high tree branches, cliffs, and sometimes buildings. They prefer location at high elevations to avoid from ground-based predators. Their nest is consist of single large exposed combs hanging from a spot. Their combs is made of beeswax and contains cells for storing honey, pollens, and brood rearing. Apis dorsata honeybee is a migratory species, often relocating their habitat seasonally. in response to changes in environmental conditions and availability of food resources. This behavior helps them to avoid from adverse conditions of the environments and discover new foraging opportunities. Reproduction in Apis dorsata follows the typical honeybee pattern. The queens lay eggs in the cells of the nest. Workers provide care to the eggs, larvae, and pupae and also maintain the hives. Fertilization is internal. The queen mates with multiple drones during her nuptial flight, storing sperm in her spermatheca, which she uses to fertilize the egg throughout her life. The mating takes place away from the nest at considerable height. Swarming is a natural part of the reproductive cycles. When a colony becomes too large, a portion of bees and a new queen will leave to form a new colonies. This process ensures the species propagations and genetic diversity. Workers bees take care of the brood by feeding the larvae with royal jellies initially, followed by the mixture of pollen and honey. They also maintain the temperature and humidity of the brood area of the hives to ensure the optimal development. Apis dorsata workers are adept at regulating the temperatures within the nest. They use behaviors like fanning of their wings to cool the nest or generating the heat by clustering together, by maintaining a stable environment for the brood development and colonies activities. The taxonomic classification of Apis dorsata includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Epidae, genus Apis, species Apis dorsata. Like other honeybees, Apis dorsata have highly organized social behaviors. They live in colonies with thousands of individuals, including single queen and numerous workers and drones. The queens have well developed ovaries for egg laying and their primary role in reproductions. Workers are responsible for foraging, nest maintenance, and defense. They have well developed pollen baskets and wax glands. Drones are male Epidorsata bees. Their primary role is to mate with the virgin queen. Due to habitat loss and use of pesticides on plants, their breeding activities and the generation is reducing day by day. Apis dorsata have large compound eyes, provide a wide field of vision essential for detecting predators. The antennae are segmented, which play a very crucial roles in detecting pheromones and environmental cues. The mouth parts are developed for both chewings and suckings, which are used for feeding on nectars and manipulate the wax for nest building. Apis dorsata have two pairs of wings. Forewings are larger than the hind wings and have slightly brownish in color. The wings are powerful and have adapted for long distance flights. Apis dorsata have three pairs of legs. The hind legs are equipped with pollen baskets which are used to transfer pollens back to the hives. Apis dorsata bodies are covered in dense hairs which aids in pollen collections and provide insulations. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.